Good morning, everyone. This is the Agile Hive for Jira Cloud public review for Thursday, May 1st. Welcome. My name is Joshua Brock. I am the U.S. representative, content and technical writer for Agile Hive. I'm based here in the United States in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. And today my team and those mostly across Europe are taking the day off in honor of International Workers' Day. So we wish them happy day off, and I will be stepping in Daniel's place today, and hopefully can do him justice. So let's get started. So as always, just a reminder, these reviews take place on the first Thursday of every month. If you'd like, you can add them to your calendar via the link there. And if you don't already, please follow us on LinkedIn, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel where these presentations are recorded and available for replay there, along with quite a bit of additional content that you can find quite useful. So we hope you check those out. Starting with some general updates. Our colleagues in Germany were able to attend the SAFE Summit in Sorrento, Italy last month, where there were hundreds of SAFE practitioners and partners there. My colleagues wanted to thank everyone for the great conversations and inspirations they had. They had a wonderful time, and if you were there, hopefully you were able to stop by the booth. It sounds like it was a great and well hosted event by the folks at Scaled Agile. Note, we wanted to make everyone aware of that Agile Hive is ready for the Atlassian Government Cloud. Back in March, Atlassian Government Cloud achieved FedRAMP authorization at the moderate level, which is incredible news. And to that end, Agile Hive will be available on the Atlassian Government Cloud from the get-go for those in the U.S. government agencies who have been anxiously awaiting this event. So we were very excited about that news. Great news. And next, we wanted to make you aware of a survey that we have available regarding artificial intelligence integration into Agile Hive. The go-to-market team, our two product marketing managers, Isabel and Valine, developed a survey to gather feedback from users on challenges, feature requests, as well as interest in possible integration of AI into Agile Hive. So they're looking for feedback on these topics or any other topics that you might want to talk to us about. We'd love to have you fill that survey out and get that information back to us. You can find it on the secret.biz website at agile-hive-feedback-AI. And again, we hope you fill that out. It's very important. It gives us some of the information we need to find out what's on your mind, what your level of interest is on AI and any other topics that you want to discuss regarding Agile Hive. And also as a note, a reminder that we do have the blog on the website. A substantial number of blog articles freely available on our website. You can peruse when you have the time. We publish content every 2 weeks on average, so please feel free to head on over to the website and check it out. A note on the 30-day evaluation period. As you may know, Atlassian Marketplace offers evaluations that come with free access to apps for 30 days. And we understand that Agile Hive, given how powerful a tool it is, it often takes more than 30 days to be able to fully test and see how the app is going to work for you. So if you need more time, we welcome you to reach out to us, ask for an extension. We'd be happy to give that to you. So you can find that at our service desk. Send a request to us to extend that free trial period, and we'll be glad to get that underway for you. So now the product updates and demo. Just a note, we do have a number of product updates I'm going to walk through, but with the Easter holiday and the SAFE Summit that took place in April, the majority of the feature updates are performance or under the hood types of features. It's not really possible to kind of demonstrate those. So we won't be having a demo with this review today. I'm just going to walk through some of the product updates that Daniel passed along from the dev team. So in April, there were 2 releases that were made to the to Agile Hive Cloud. As is normal, the development team aims to release new functionality, bug fixes, any improvements as soon as they're completed. As mentioned, since the last review, 2 new versions have been released. with a great deal of capacity invested to deal with technical issues and updating some product components. As always, you can always refer to our change log for a full list of those, any of those changes and updates that are made. As an additional reminder for all of you who may not look regularly at Jira's Universal Plugin Manager, there has been a major version updates since September of last fall that needs to be manually installed by a Jira administrator. So just double check to see if you have the most updated version, and if not, and you're not an administrator on your Jira site, please reach out to your Jira administrator and get that updated so that you're receiving the latest updates for Agile Hive Cloud. New features, Daniel asked me to pass along. So there were performance improvements for dependency widgets in the art reports, enhanced handling of missing permissions for restricted projects, and as mentioned, a number of bug fixes and smaller performance improvements. At present, what they're working on, improving the performance on team and art level, on the art and team levels, in preparation for large solution and portfolio reports. They're currently evaluating a synchronized use of Agile Hive hierarchy and the Jira parent field. And again, you can find those on our website on the roadmap section. So taking a look at the midterm roadmap, what they're working on today, extending filtering in Agile Hive board. So as of today, most of the screens or views in Agile Hive offer a limited number of options for users to filter information with dropdowns or other easy-to-use filters. Instead, users need to make use of JQL filtering, which may not be extremely accessible for most Jira users. So to enable all users of Agile Hive according to their specific needs, the dev team is working to introduce more filters that are more convenient and easy to use for the most important fields to all Agile Hive views, such as team planning board, the roadmap, and the art planning board. So those are works in progress right now. Just a brief look again at the roadmap. Again, as mentioned, working on reports for solution teams now through middle of July, preparing for solution train reports, and those include performance improvements. As mentioned regarding that survey, they're evaluating AI's use in Agile Hive. So if you would, please feel free to drop in and check out that survey and add some comments and your thoughts on that feature enhancement to Agile Hive. That would be great. And as I just mentioned, embedding filtering in Agile Hive boards is one of the major projects they'll be working on now through June and July. They're evaluating the implementation, the synchronized use of Agile Hive issue hierarchy and the Jira parent field. And as always, just working on general usability and improvements, functionality and improvements. And so that's it. Again, just as a reminder, these reviews take place on the first Thursday of every month, and we'd love to see you there. But if you can't make it, these recordings are on our YouTube channel. You can add this to your calendar as a reminder. And if you haven't already, please check out our LinkedIn page and follow us there. Thanks very much for joining us. Appreciate your time, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.